What a glorious afternoon. Good day, everyone. Dan, Sharpe Trade. I try to maintain political neutrality. I attempt to maintain political neutrality. Uh, there's many reasons for that, but also many benefits. It's an incredible the number of benefits that I get out of that. I don't know, I can view the markets in a much more dispassionate way. Right? The whole sort of byline of Sharpe Trade LLC is a company. Reason, rationality, balance. And when a guy like me hears all the political chatter that everybody's continually going on about, it's like, God, I wish you'd shut up. It sounds like November 7th still. Please stop. Go away. Knock it off. It just sounds weird. It sounds like, I don't know. I suppose it would be like, I don't know, someone from a non-U.S. football country walking into, say, Southern Texas and trying to watch a college football game. Or not a college football game, but a high school football game. They simply wouldn't get it. They'd just be like, I don't understand. Like, what's all the religious fervor over? And they'd probably be pretty put off by it. It's sort of like Americans going in and watching like what the rest of the world calls football. Americans tend to say, well, it's just hockey slowed down and on grass. Like, I don't get it. And then Americans get annoyed, right? That's sort of me with politics. It's like, I don't get it, and I just end up getting annoyed. But there are times where it's difficult to remain politically neutral. We've been having a good time lately. One trade we put out recently was Facebook. We were long on Facebook from right around here, and we exited today. It's not really usually within our style box, but there is a very real reason why we step outside of our style box from time to time, and we put on a trade like this. It's a very, very real reason. So, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 days ago or something, we got long Facebook. We did put that out there publicly as well. Where's it at? Oh, where are we at? Well, actually, you can find it in a number of places. Here on Sharpe Trade, we talked about it. But on Sharpe Trade, it's one I put in my personal StockTwit stream, right? So if you come over to the StockTwits, it's back here somewhere. Where is it at? Here it is. Been buying Facebook here at these levels. So we put that one out there publicly. We don't put them all. And we have been buying PGX as well. So that's a couple that we did mention there, as well as I believe here on Sharpe Trade itself, right? At the same time, we have a long short book. I'm going to try and hide some of this because I'm sure the other managing partners of Sharpe Trade are not comfortable letting you know our size and the size we trade in. So we've also been short AMPH. So AMPH. Oh, hold on a second. I want to show you the actual positions, but at the same time, we have to maintain our privacy. I want to switch over to an account that is one of the accounts with the actual position. So we think we've got a way we can do that. Hold on a second. But yeah, we've also been short AMPH. And then today, President-elect Trump made some comments on their particular administration are interested in taking a look at what a lot of these pharmaceutical companies are doing on drug prices. And we've been short from back here and just boom, down 5.12% today. See, it's a little hard to remain neutral when something like that happens and it just goes wildly in your favor. So that's sort of cool. So we got rid of that Facebook long, right? We got rid of that Facebook long. We also, which was a nice 4.2 point jump. We also have this AMPH short on. We are also long Cint, but that one's not really doing a whole lot for us. It's just sort of meandering around our entrance. And we are also, hold on a second, we're also, and this is positions we've already put on, so just full disclosure. We are also, still long PGX. All right, so we're still long PGX. Enjoying that one today as well. pretty nice beginning to the year, quite honestly. Let me see if I can find. Yeah, there's the position in aggregate. If you look at the whole position in aggregate with our longs, our shorts, and everything, so pretty nice, pretty nice beginning to the year. And yes, we are still short AMPH, and there you go. Let it load up. This is on a little bit of a different time frame chart, so it takes a little bit. There we are, still short that one, remaining short, and enjoying ourselves quite a bit. Who knows, though? We might exit it by tomorrow. We might exit it in an hour. We might exit it in 45 days. I don't know. We're just going to have to wait and see. And I'm looking for other positions as well. But quite frankly, long and the short of it, get it? We're having a good time. Our long-short processes are doing well. The last I looked, our income process is doing well. Our futures is doing well. Everything's doing well. So, but the way we run things, literally, mathematically, that cannot continue. So we just stick to the processes, right? That's what we do. We stick to the processes, but we are having a good time. I will say that. But for now, that's simply been what it's always been. It's simply been our thoughts, not yours, for whatever the heck date is, as always. Oh, before we conclude, no, this is not Dan. And I know we put that disclaimer up. This is not Dan. This is not Sharpe Trade recommending any of these positions, because the positions have already begun. And I'm very much a guy that, like, once the position's begun, it's begun. And I don't like chasing trades. So that would be the one thing I would say is I don't believe in chasing trades, right? But for now, that has been what it's always been. It's simply been our thoughts, not yours, for whatever the heck date is. As always, stay safe, trade well, and remember that love doesn't cost a dime.